Hey everyone, and welcome. Did you know that your car is packed with ingenious features that most drivers, we're talking 99% here, don't even know exist? You paid good money for your vehicle, but chances are, you're only using a fraction of its true potential. Today, we're going on a treasure hunt to uncover 15 secret car features that can make your driving experience safer, more comfortable, and incredibly convenient. Get ready to say ah, and put these hidden gems to use. Starting our countdown at number 15, we have the simple yet incredibly practical fuel cap holder. Have you ever struggled with where to put your gas cap while filling up, letting it dangle or balancing it awkwardly? Many cars have a small, often overlooked, hook or slot right on the fuel door itself. It's designed to securely hold your cap, preventing scratches to your paint and keeping it clean. Next time you refuel, take a quick peek, you might be surprised. Coming in at number 14 is the visor extension. We all know how to flip down our sun visors, but what happens when the sun is glaring through your side window? Many drivers don't realize that their visor can actually slide horizontally along its mounting rod. Simply unclip it from the center, swing it to the side window, and then pull it outwards to extend its coverage, blocking that annoying side glare. It's a game changer for visibility and comfort. At number 13, we have hidden storage compartments. Beyond the glove box and center console, many vehicles are designed with clever secret nooks and crannies to stash valuables or keep your cabin clutter-free. These can be under the passenger seat, beneath the cargo floor in the trunk, or even subtle drawers under the dashboard. They're perfect for emergency kits, important documents, or simply keeping your sunglasses out of sight. Explore your car, you might find a hidden treasure chest. Number 12 reveals the key fob window control. Imagine walking towards your hot car on a summer day and being able to vent it before you even get inside. Many modern key fobs, which are your remote control for the car, have a hidden function: press and hold the unlock button, and your windows may roll down automatically. Similarly, holding the lock button can roll them back up. This is incredibly useful for a quick cooldown or if you forget to close them. Next up at number 11 is the auto-dimming rearview mirror. Driving at night can be tough with bright headlights glaring from behind. An auto-dimming mirror uses sensors to detect light levels. When it senses a bright light approaching from the rear, it automatically darkens, reducing glare and improving your night vision. You might have a small button or indicator light on your mirror, but often, it's just quietly doing its job to make your nighttime drives much safer and more comfortable. Breaking into our top 10, we have the child lock override. This is a critical safety feature, especially if you have young passengers. On the rear doors of almost every car, if you open the door and look at the latch mechanism, you'll find a small switch or lever. Activating this child lock means the door can only be opened from the outside, preventing curious kids from accidentally opening the door while the car is moving. Always know where yours is. At number 9, we uncover the TPMS reset button. TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System, and it's what alerts you if your tire pressure is low. After you've filled your tires or had them rotated, the warning light might stay on. Many cars have a dedicated reset button, often located under the dashboard or in the glove box, that recalibrates the system. Knowing this can save you a trip to the mechanic and keep your tire pressure readings accurate for optimal safety and fuel efficiency. Number 8 brings us to a life-saving feature, the emergency trunk release. For safety reasons, most modern cars are equipped with a glow-in-the-dark lever or handle inside the trunk. This allows someone trapped inside, whether accidentally or by foul play, to open the trunk from the inside. It's a vital, often forgotten, safety measure. While we hope you never need it, knowing it's there and how it works is incredibly important for peace of mind. Coming in at number 7, we have bag hooks, sometimes jokingly called curry hooks by some manufacturers. These small, often retractable, hooks are usually found in the passenger footwell, on the back of seats, or in the trunk. Their purpose? To secure grocery bags, take-out containers, or purses, preventing them from tipping over and spilling their contents while you drive. No more milk cartons rolling around or curry stains on your carpet. simple, yet brilliant. At number 6 is the passenger seat fold flat feature. Many SUVs, wagons, and even some sedans allow the front passenger seat back to fold completely flat. This creates an extended, continuous flat surface from the trunk to the dashboard, perfect for carrying extra long items like lumber, skis, or furniture that wouldn't normally fit. It turns your regular car into a surprisingly capable cargo hauler without needing a roof rack. Check your owner's manual for how to enable this versatile function. Cracking into our top 5, we have headlight washer jets. If you drive a premium or modern car, you might notice small nozzles near your headlights. These are not just for looks. When your headlights get dirty from mud, snow, or road grime, these jets, often activated with your windshield washers, spray a powerful stream of water to clean them. This maintains optimal light output, which is crucial for nighttime visibility and safety, especially in adverse weather conditions. At number 4 is the panic button on your key fob. Almost every car key fob has a red or clearly marked panic button, but many drivers aren't sure of its best use. Holding this button down triggers your car's alarm and flashes its lights. It's not just for finding your car in a crowded parking lot. In an emergency, it can deter potential threats, signal for help, or draw attention to your location. It's a powerful, underutilized safety tool you always have with you. Our bronze medal, number 3, goes to the integrated umbrella holder. Some clever car manufacturers, notably brands like Skoda, have built discrete compartments specifically for an umbrella. These are often in the driver's door panel, beneath a seat, or even within the car's frame. It's a thoughtful convenience that keeps an umbrella handy and prevents a wet, dripping umbrella from soaking your interior. A small detail, but a brilliant example of thoughtful design for everyday practicality. The runner-up at number 2 is blind spot monitoring. This advanced safety feature uses sensors, typically in your rear bumper, to detect vehicles in your blind spots, those areas you can't see with your mirrors. When a vehicle is detected, a light illuminates in your side mirror, or sometimes an audible alert sounds if you attempt to change lanes. It's an invaluable assistant, significantly reducing the risk of collisions when merging or changing lanes, making every drive much safer. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, the most critical secret car feature 99% of drivers don't fully understand: automatic emergency braking, or AEB. This sophisticated system uses radar or cameras to constantly monitor the road ahead. If it detects an imminent collision with another vehicle or pedestrian and you don't react in time, the car will automatically apply the brakes, either to prevent the crash entirely or to significantly reduce its severity. It's a literal lifesaver, a silent guardian always on duty, representing the pinnacle of hidden vehicle safety technology.